Good morning, YouTube. Brian with VetteSource here on a December cool morning. Got some nice average weather for us. You know, short sleeve weather still. Nothing really too cold to have to bundle up for, but that's Southeast Texas for you. So today, real quick, I'm going to bring you a 1997 to 2004 passenger side door shell assembly. This is one that I've actually dismantled in a prior video. This piece is still available. Now again, as I've specified before, when you're looking for C5 door shells, what you really want to be looking for in particular is the hinge plate area here. Let's see if I can get a good picture of this right in here without the shade. Hold on just a second. There we go, that might be a little bit better. So what you want to look out for is this hinge plate and making sure that it's not cracked through here, because there's a plate underneath there that gets damaged, and once these are cracked, these doors are pretty much no good. So as you can see, this one's pretty strong. That's where that plate is riveted into place right there on two sections, and it'll crack all the way from that bolt hole up to that rivet plate there, and then of course it's no good for anything. This door's in really good shape. No real damage to the doors. You can see it's all fiberglass with a steel reinforcement bar right here. Everything looks nice on this door. So it's pretty much ready to install. If you've got a car that's got a damaged door with good internals, this shell will work good. They kind of started to take the paint off it a little bit right here in the corner. But other than that, everything's real nice on it. It's ready to go. If you've got anything else you're looking for parts-wise on Corvettes, I've been dealing in nothing but Corvette parts for 20 years. My name is Brian with VetteSource. You can reach me at 832-654-7367. Thanks again, guys, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit.